Today's tutorial is on how to make this beautiful gathered sleeve. I've already made a video on how to cut the basic sleeve. You will cut your basic sleeve first. So after cutting your basic sleeve, while it's still unfold, you find the midpoint. The midpoint here is around 2 inches. So from that midpoint, you mark a straight line. A straight line of 3.5. So this, you measure 1.5 inches. So I measure 1.5 inches by 5.5. I only need 3.5 inches, but to be on a safer side, I cut out 5.5 inches, then I will trim the excess. You also find the midpoint of this. This is what we will sew here. The midpoint must meet starting from here, because we will trim out the excess. The total measurement of the wrist is 8.5. So I cut out 18 inches. I added almost 10 inches. It depends on how you want it. So the width is 3.5 inches. Then we iron it into 2. You fold it into 2 like this. Then make a gathers. The tiny rope too, it depends on the size of button you want to use. Like 1/2 inch is a little bit more than 1/2 inch. You sew it and turn it inward. Sew it at the right side. Then notch it. We sew it at the right side, then you turn it to the other side like this. You iron it, you turn it. So look at it after ironing. Remember, before you even join it, you need to overlock it. But because I'm not using this is just for explanation's sake. So this is how it will look. Then after that, remember we fold this, the 18 inches by 3.5 inches. We fold it into 2. So this opening, that's where you will make your gathers. You make the gathers until it becomes the same size as the total wrist measurement. Then after that, you join the sleeve together, the two sides. After joining, then turn it. Before joining both sides, you need to top stitch here. This is the gathers we made. So you start joining from the downside. down parts of the girders. You squeeze it a little bit inside, like a girders. Then cut out the excess. You will turn this inward. Take the tiny rope, the inner part, you sew it there at the inner part. You sew it here first. Remember to always overlock your fabric. You know, this is just for explanation's sake. So after sewing this, you turn it this way. So you turn it to the front side like this. Then we will now top stitch it. And don't forget to overlock the fabric. You know, I said I'm only using this for explanation's sake, so you have to overlock yours before joining it. I couldn't find the fancy button I wanted to use. The fancy button is bigger than this, so that's why this couldn't fit, but I had to use this just for explanation's sake. So if you are using a smaller button, it means you have to reduce this. I had to use any button I found, so no problem. So this is the outcome. You can see how beautiful it is. If you enjoyed this video, kindly thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you.